Just about to install this Eco Double light for outside on our porch. We got from Amazon. I think it was a little over $30. Just going to do the unboxing here, and then we're going to do the install. So when you unbox it, pull it all out. Looks pretty good. Get your instructions. Got your wire nuts, mounting hardware, and it's a nice unit. So it's using LED light. There's one light, there's the other light. So it's going to shoot light up and a little bit to the outside. And looks like a pretty easy installation. So you've got your ground wire, you've got your power and your neutral, and you've got this piece, and then got these two here. So I'm just taking off these little nuts here on the mounting plate. Those off. This is really nice, like some kind of an aluminum alloy for the body and for the mounting bracket. Looks like a nice one that would last. So take this off, put that on the ground, and then you're going to mount a couple of these screws to hold this on. Get your wire connections, and you just put this back on and put those nuts on. So it should be pretty easy. If you ever have to replace the LED bulb, it comes with a little hex wrench. Take these guys out, lift this up. Same would be true on the bottom side. And then you can do the bulb exchange and then just put it back together. So they give you a little hex key for that. We're going to remove the old one. First we're going to clean off all of the bugs and spider webs and such, and then we can remove it. Got the old one. I'm just going to take out these two little nuts here, and then it should come right off. We got the wire nuts off, so we should be able to just kind of wiggle this off, and then we can undo the electrical back here. Probably a lot of spiders in there. Let's get that all cleaned up. Now the neutral wire. Get out the hot side. We can do the disconnects. I also have to disconnect this ground wire, or disconnect this ground wire here. We're going to probably use a different mounting too. But to get this bracket off, there's some screws you have to expose, and I'm just going to take out one of these little Phillips heads. Should be able to turn this. That'll expose these, and then I can get this bracket off. Got it cleaned up a little better. We're going to connect this ground line with the wire nut. That's securely connected. Okay, we're going to slip these wires inside. We're going to kind of stuff this ground wire back in here now that it's connected. And we'll put the mounting bracket. This is a ground wire connection plate here. I'm going to get its hole lined up there. And then I'm going to get this bracket on. Try and get the screws in it. So I want to get these two to be level. So I have to see how I can do that with these holes that they gave me. Probably do it like that. One of those in there, and then we'll do the other one. Okay, looks pretty good. Second one. About to screw this plate down with another screw, but I'm going to put a level and just get this thing straight first, because I want the light fixture to be nice and straight. Bubbles like right in the middle of the two lines. So I have to actually drill a hole about right there for another screw, because this plate doesn't quite work out. That's okay. Okay, so we got those posts on there, pretty square, bubbles right in the middle. So now we're going to go ahead and do our electrical connections and mount it on there. Holding it up with this neutral wire, and you could have a friend help you, it'd be easier. Feed these into the wire nut, and then I'm going to go righty-tighty, get it nice and tight, and then I'll do the other side too. But we got to kind of hold it up, the weight of the fixture, while I'm securing that one really tight. So that's the neutral. There's the hot side. And do the same thing. Line them up to the same position, and then that wire nut on there. Everything's super tight. Okay, now we're going to push all this back into the cavity, get it out of the way. And the wires coming from the house are thicker gauge, so they're a little stubborn to push in there. But the ones that come with the fixture are going to be a really malleable and easy to push in there, no problem. Once you get them all in there, you should be able to put that on, and then you can put your little screws on there, and we're pretty much done. One of the little nuts on, here's the other side. It's pretty cool looking. A lot more modern look than what we had before. I like how it does shoot the light mainly up and down, but it gives you a little sideways light too, help you to put in your key if it's dark. And I think the wattage is pretty low on this one. Alright, so it's daytime, but we'll turn it on and make sure the circuit's working. So we just got these tight by hand.